Coming straight from the visionaries at Hoist is the V-Rox Gym. Compact and easy to use, this gym is without a doubt a mastery of design, flexibility, and performance. Whether you're looking to add strength for a competitive edge or drop sizes, the all-in-one V-Rox Gym will help you build and shape the body you want. Designed to give you maximum range of motion and follow your natural movements, the V-Rox's articulating arms features a three-dimensional exercise movement, allowing you to perform flat, incline, and decline presses or fly exercises. The V-Rox also features an exercise arm that follows a predetermined exercise path for mid-row exercises. Hoist's patented leg station featuring the powerful Rox technology allows you to perform both leg extensions and leg curl exercises from the seated position while it rocks to engage multiple muscles. The range of motion adjuster provides multiple starting positions for both leg extension and leg curl exercises, while the self-aligning roller pads adjust automatically to accommodate varying leg lengths. Hoist's patented radial lock weight system combined with vintage shrouds provides smoother, quieter exercise movements. Wide groove pulleys on the high, mid, and low cable stations increase cable life. Dual high pulleys allow for independent or dependent pulley exercises. Hoist's split-weight cabling system increases cable travel and range of motion while delivering 50% resistance to mid, low, and both high pulleys. The V-Rox has an integrated accessory rack, providing convenient storage for all V-Rox accessories. Standard accessories include one pair of adjustable strap handles for varying user heights and arm lengths, one pair of short strap handles for varying upper body exercises, curl and lat bars made from ultra-light aluminum, an ab strap for abdominal exercises, and a padded ankle and thigh strap for comfort during leg exercises. Built to constantly challenge you as you become stronger, the V-Rox Gym is also equipped with one 2.5 pound and one 5 pound add-on weight, so you can add incremental weight to your exercises. To help you get the most out of your workouts, the V-Rox Gym comes with an instructional DVD demonstrating a variety of exercises and sample workouts, and an exercise poster to serve as a quick reference guide showing proper form and exercise examples. Everyone has different goals, whether it's to improve athletic performance, increase core stability, or sculpting your body. The V-Rox Gym gives you the options to focus on your fitness goals and succeed. For additional leg exercises, choose your favorite leg press option. The V-Ride Leg Press is a natural companion for the V-Rox Gym. The rocking movement of the V-Ride Leg Press also features Rox technology. During exercise, the user's center of gravity is constantly shifting to activate core musculature while maintaining a stable exercise movement. Rox technology makes you part of the exercise. Achieving optimal body position and movement increases the range of motion for a more biomechanically correct, more intense workout. The adjustable back pad of the V-Ride Leg Press provides quick and easy adjustments to accommodate varying leg lengths. And the large oval foot plate of the V-Ride Leg Press provides multiple foot placements during both leg press and calf exercises. The V Stationary Leg Press features an easy-to-enter step-through design and a swiveling, self-aligning foot plate that automatically adjusts during the exercise. The adjustable back pad provides quick and easy adjustments to accommodate varying leg lengths. To complete the ultimate home gym, add functional training to your exercise routine with the V High-Low Pulley. The V High-Low Pulley has 35 separate pulley positions designed to perform a vast array of upper and lower body exercises. To make it easy to move between so many possible exercises, the counterbalance pulley, combined with a unique integrated adjustment system, provides smooth and easy one-handed adjustments. As you become stronger and more stable, we encourage you to develop your own routines specific to your goals and your body. Engineered to complement your body's natural movements and range of motion. Live a healthier and stronger life with the V-Rox gym from the industry leader, Hoist Fitness.